Hello my beautiful viewers on my channel, James Higgins Up World. What I've got for you now is an unboxing of the Sony 4K Handycam FDR-AX53. There we go. There. 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 And stuff. Yeah, and there as well. Right, let's get to it. Well, you get the book. You get a load of leaflets, like that, load of leaflets. You get a little cable, as you can see, there as well. You get your power plug for your region. You get HDMI lead from small to big, there as well. You get the power pack there as well. You get the battery. As well. And obviously the camera itself. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Yep. Opens like that. Yep, so you get the camera as well. So, yep. As well. So, just 1 second. Just 1 second. Right, just 1 second. Just 1 second. And that's it. That's what you get. Right, let's put this back in now. 1 second. There you go. There. Put these back. Put that back. Put them back. Just 1 second. Well, that's it basically. That's the unboxing of the 4K Sony FDR. That's what you get. So thanks for watching and see you on the next one.